Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So Udemy has updated a new course related to React.js front web development for beginners. This is also a free of cost course, and someone has requested me that please update a video related to React.js which is free of cost from the Udemy and with certification. So this course has been launched already, and this is a free of cost and it's for limited time only. So you can watch this, and it will be total 3 hours course and 33 lectures and in English. Let me introduce with all the topics, which are the topics going to cover here. And these topics are modern JavaScript, creating variables using the constant and all. You can see here the pause screen and see the React.js, all everything is here. Okay, in React.js they are going to cover these topics, and React hooks they are going to cover these topics, and the React bonus they are going to cover this topic. So please subscribe to my channel and enroll this video as soon as possible. I will share the free of cost link in the video. Okay, and after that I will post the video related to some projects also related to React.js projects. So please subscribe to my channel and share this video with all family and friends who need this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.